National Nutrition Natural Health Reviews. 3 minutes of the latest naturopathic info with Canada's leading nutrition experts. Watch, learn, and get healthy naturally.
Hey there, Dr. Jonathan Beatty, naturopathic doctor and a health expert here at Nationalnutrition.ca. First thing I always cover with my patients when they walk into my office, what exactly is it I do? What is naturopathic medicine? How can it help them? Because I want everybody to have truly informed consent. They need to understand exactly what they've gotten themselves involved with. And many people, although they may be open to seeing a naturopath, don't fully understand exactly what it is that we do. Now, naturopaths, we have one of the largest scopes of practice in medicine in Canada. In Ontario anyway, we're licensed to do spinal manipulation, acupuncture, nutritional therapy, homeopathy. Some of us are licensed for intravenous therapy and minor surgery. We have a very, very wide scope of practice. And this means naturopaths can help you with a variety of health concerns. What I really say we do though is we look at the underlying cause of disease. This to me is the most important aspect of medicine. I always joke that with my patients that I always kind of say I'm a natural Dr. House with a better bedside manner, for those of you who know the show. What Dr. House does is diagnostician. It's looking at the cause of diseases. I've found medicine today has too often revolved around symptom management. Take this pill for your headache, it'll make your headache go away, but then when it wears off, the headache comes back. And the reason is it's not a deficiency of that pill that is causing the headache symptom to occur. It could be as simple as dehydration, it could be as complex as a brain tumor. Understanding the nature of the symptom is really important, because if the problem is dehydration, a simple bottle of water is much likely to be a much safer intervention. However, if it's a brain tumor, you might actually need to go and have surgery done. But taking a pill or taking a bottle of water is not going to be very effective and actually could endanger you by, again, allowing that tumor to grow from something that could be treated to something that's not. And this is where diagnosis is really paramount to getting proper health care. So I'm a big fan of, again, working with a naturopath, somebody who can take the time to listen to your concerns and has the ability to provide diagnosis. And that's really what sets apart a doctor from another, natural healthcare practitioner. Many people can, tell you what herbs may help you. That being said, only doctors are allowed to communicate a diagnosis, and that's really what sets a naturopath apart from other people, people like herbalists and other people that, although they may be involved with natural health and they may have a very important role, they're not qualified to make a diagnosis. And that's truly what naturopathic medicine is about. It's about understanding, how the body is trying to heal, how the disease is interfering with that, and what we can do to help support the body to heal effectively. It's not a choice of, do you see a naturopath or do you see a medical doctor? I don't believe in that. In my mind, everybody should have a healthcare team whose sole purpose is really looking at helping them attain optimal health. If my patients need a medication that I cannot prescribe, I will refer them back to a doctor who can prescribe it so that they get the adequate care that they need. Some medications can be life-saving, and that's very important. The one thing I find that the modern medical system is not doing appropriately is helping people recover. I always joke with my patients, look, if I have a heart attack, call 911, don't call my naturopath. That being said, as soon as I am sort of stabilized, get me as far away from that hospital as possible, because their strength is not in that rehabilitation. They're not going to tell me about all the nutritional things that I can do to speed my recovery, because they're just not trained in it. That's not their specialty. Every medical practitioner has a specialty. Naturopaths really focus on pathophysiology. What are the imbalances in the system causing the disease to happen? And then what can you do to basically help right those problems? How can you aid the body in its ability to heal and recover? So that's what naturopathic medicine is. I hope this helps you if you're on the brink of deciding to see a naturopath. If you're not sure, hopefully this information about what it is we do will help you make a decision, and hopefully you decide to see a naturopath in your future. So check out more of our natural health videos online, check out our YouTube channel, and if you like it, subscribe, Please, if you have any questions or comments, post them below, and always remember, knowledge is health.